Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk, and I'm here today with a project using the current in colours which are retiring at the end of May. And I've made a birthday card. I have used the springtime foils for the background of this because this was supposed to go out well, be made before the end of celebration, but I was actually really busy. So this is Peekaboo Peach, which is going, Floaty Flamingo, which is actually staying, Dapper Denim, which I love, and Emerald Envy, which I just think is a smashing Christmas colour. And I've used the Happy Birthday die, so Sweet Sugar Plum is the one that's left, so I cut out the Happy Birthday using the Happy Birthday die in Sweet Sugar Plum. I've got Sweet Sugar Plum card blank, which is just half a standard sheet, cut in half, scored in half, and then a matte in Springtime Falls. You could of course use anything else, but I wanted the stripe because I'm using this stripy ribbon we've got. This is the 3/8 of an inch striped gross grain ribbon. And so I wanted that to sort of emulate that, and then I'm just using a bit of our fine sheer ribbon, sheer ribbon in Whisper White to finish it off. So I shall show you how I made these. So in order to get this colour, I am using my ink pad and one of my sponges. I am not going to use this really nice clean piece. I'm going to use, you can see I used this one before. So really quick and easy. Just use your sponge and then just rub it on. Going about halfway with the colour. Goes on really nicely. You've seen me colour this paper before. There is other colour. I was going to do it with the Bundle of Love paper, which it would work with as well, but I wanted to use my stripy ribbon that matched the in colours, and it's got Whisper White in it, and the Bundle of Love is very vanilla, so it wouldn't have worked so well, I don't think. So I'm just gonna make that a straighter line along there, and that's that. And then a little bit of tissue there just to wipe the ink off the silver, and then it doesn't take on the silver. So that's it. And then I'm gonna stick this on there before I do the ribbon. So I'm gonna do the glue on the back of the hand trick for this because I can't find my fine tip glue pen. So I'm going to do it this way. And I thought about it afterwards and thought the easiest way to stick this on would have been to have used our double-sided adhesive sheets, but I'd already cut out all my happy birthdays and I am running low on this cardstock and I'm not getting any more. But if you want it, then I would get your orders in quick. The link to my shop down below, or go over to my blog, follow the link down below to the blog post about this, and get ordering because they really go quick. The ink, the cardstock, the re-inkers, and then if you really want it, you then have to get it on eBay, and often, because they're in such high demand, you end up paying more on eBay than you would if you just bought it now from the shop whilst stocks last. So that's that done. Do get a little bit sticky, which I say is why I would, in retrospect, use the double-sided tape. And then I'm just going to cut the length of this. To go across. I'll change me grid mat. That's better. Okay, a little bit of fast fuse. That's where I want it. Oh, right way up, Jez. There we go, and then run fast fuse around the edge of this, and then I'm going to stick it to the card base. Simples. There we go, and then a little length of this ribbon here to tie my bow. You see the state of my hands? That was from inking all this up. So this is just going to go underneath there. My hands are terribly sticky, so I'm not sure how this is going to go. So just going to do the knot at 90 degrees to where I want it to be, and then finish my bow. And that gets you a lovely bow with the tails in the right place. We'll go ever so slightly turned, but I quite like that. So chop that tail a little tad. And then the finishing touch was a glue dot just underneath there. I got so much glue on me. There we go. And that is it. So that is our beautiful in colours, which are on their way out. There we go. Hope you like it. It was really, well, it's I think quite a nice simple card, but it was really to emphasise the fact that in colours on the way out. So buy them now whilst you can, because once they're gone, they're gone. Okay, see you again soon. Link to the blog down below, link to my shop, and do press the bell for and subscribe to me if you like my videos, and then you'll get notifications of when I post, which is about 3 times a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Sundays at the moment. Okay, see you again soon. Bye bye.